Now I am.
Right, it's got a brand new battery in it, a fully charged battery in it. I'm just going to pair it with this remote control. And it's just paired, as you can see. The wings are moving left and right, different ways how they should be to turn the helicopter. Right, now I'm going to throttle the blades up. The back blades will spin, the front one, the top one won't. Like so. Round to the back, show the back pedal going round. There's no movement. Look, the bottom of the helicopter's trying to move around. And as you can hear, the back motor's struggling, but the helicopter's turning round and not the blades. I'm going to switch it off now before it. And that's what I do, two diagonals on the remote. Does that, full throttle it. Right, and I'm going to switch it off.